Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create pin on Messenger to secure your chat history. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take is to open your Messenger app, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you're going to see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on that, and then you are going to find the privacy and safety option. Click on that. After that, what you have to do from here is to click on end-to-end encrypted chats and tap on message storage. Alright, so you're going to see this reset pin option. Click on that, and now you can reset your pin. Just like that. Alright, so that's how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful, and you now know how to create pin on Messenger in order for you to secure your chat history. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching.